So we have a number of wire transfer options to be able to transfer the power to the door or or to the sliding door or to the skylight or something like that. So we have our various different transfer options. The cleanest option is our concealed options, where we can nest the wire to come out of the jamb of the frame out to the door. And this is an articulated system where the wire gets transferred out. And there's a UL approved design here. We have another option, which is more of a concealed option. And this one here is using a Securitron device, and that stretches the wire and places it again, completely concealed. But the real beauty is to have the electrified hinge. Electrified hinge is where the wire actually transfers right through the knuckle of the hinge and then comes out the door. And you see nothing. The wire is right through there. There's a UL approved hinge. Wire goes into the frame, out of the frame, through the hinge, and then out to the other side of the door. We have a little cutaway here so you can see what happens inside. Of course, the cover is just for demonstration purposes. So that's the concealed options. Well, you can't always conceal the wire. Of course, you can have a visible wire transfer. There's a door loop here. There's another type of door loop down here. Again, depending upon your frame and your door system is what would guide us to which one we would recommend.